Hi, what's up guys? It's me, Bailey, and I have a lot to say and I don't really know how to say it, and I've been trying to film this intro part of this video for literally like 30 minutes and I just don't know how to say what I want to say. Basically, I'm quitting YouTube. Got your ass. I'm not quitting. That came to my head really randomly and I wanted to say it. Anyways, what I want to say, it's not that serious. I'm not quitting YouTube, but I just had some things I wanted to talk about, and it's currently 12:32 a.m. Friday, May 8th. Okay, I needed to film this video for two reasons. One, because I don't have anything else to upload and I haven't uploaded in over a week. I have no other videos pre-filmed right now besides like videos that I've been working on for literally months that I can't upload because they're not done. Basically, I just have nothing to upload, and the only video that I do have coming is a video partnering with a brand, and I physically can't upload it right now. So I need to film this and I don't know what this is. So hope you enjoy. The second reason I'm filming this is because I have a few things I need to talk about with you guys. I don't know what they are. Oh my god. Why my posting has been a little bit slow and why I have not been posting as much as like I would like to, especially during this like quarantine time when I have nothing else to do. I was actually living with my brother. Not like living with him, like I didn't freaking sign a lease, but I was living at my brother's house for almost 2 weeks and I just got home like a couple days ago. He lives 2 hours away from like our hometown, so like where I still live. Where he goes to college is like 2 hours away, so he has a house there and I was staying with him and his girlfriend. It was just them two. He has like other roommates, but they aren't there right now because they're with their families for quarantine. Basically, I was living there and I didn't film anything, and I know that's really disappointing for some of you guys because you guys love my videos with Reagan and Noah, but it was just, we just weren't, I feel like all of our mental health, like my brother's fine, like everybody's fine, but I just feel like our motivation to actually like do stuff was very low. What I'm trying to say is I'm at home all day sitting in my room and I could easily film like 2 videos a day, but there's something in my brain that is giving me zero motivation to do so, and I'm really sorry about that. That's what I had to say about that. Also, I'm going back to my brother's house. My brother is my best friend and it's really hard. Obviously, we all know the struggle of being at home, not seeing your friends, not seeing like all of your family. Like, it's really hard, and this is like a once in a lifetime chance to go stay with my brother at college because it's just not practical for any other time of the year because I either have school or it's summer and there's like stuff going on. He's in college, obviously. College kids do things that I shouldn't be a part of, so I can't just go and stay with him at college at any point in the year. Like, this quarantine time is perfect. I love my brother, so I want to spend as much time with him as possible. So I'm staying with my brother again, like next week, and probably the next week, and probably the next week. I am going to try to film videos when I'm there, but right now I just need to upload this. I felt like I needed to say that. So it's almost 1 a.m. and I actually have to get up kind of early tomorrow to do something, but whatever. I have been staying up, I kid you not, I have been staying up till like 5 or 6 a.m. every night for the past like 2 weeks. And I know that's terrible. I went to bed last night at around 6 a.m. and I woke up at like 11 or 10:30. I woke up 10:30 and then I was like awake in my bed on my phone, and I even did a freaking Spanish assignment. I was up from like 10:30 to 12:30 and then I fell back asleep somehow. Well, somehow, bitch, you slept for 4 hours. So I fell back asleep and I kid you not, I woke up at 4:50 p.m. Like, I woke up at 5 p.m. today, guys. It's so bad, it's so bad. Basically, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do when I can't sleep during this quarantine. Why did I just do that? I'm sorry. I really don't do much. Like, this video is a stretch for me. I usually just sit in my room all night and watch Netflix. This is my OOTD. I'm wearing this and these. I want to make something. I really want to cook or bake right now, even though I made myself dinner because I didn't want what my dad was having. I really want to make the little mini pancake cereal things that you see all over TikTok, and I was gonna do that. That was my original plan for this video, but I thought about it more and I want to do a like actual TikTok, like attempting to make TikTok foods video, if you know what I mean. Like, I've seen so many of those and I really want to try it and like do like the whipped coffee and stuff with it. So I'm gonna save the pancakes and I'm not gonna make them yet. So I'm gonna see if I have any boxes of like stuff to bake. So I literally have 2 boxes of things that are like bakeable, and 1 is pancakes and 2 is this cake, super moist cake. That's disgusting. I don't want this to take forever, and I don't want to have to bake these for 30 minutes. Ooh, I could make cupcakes and bake them for 12 to 17. Ooh, I'll make some. I don't have cupcake things though, like cupcake liners. The best part of me was all. Can you still make cupcakes without ow. I can't make cupcakes. I don't have cupcake liners. Could I use like wax paper as like cupcake liners? But I don't want them to be like ratchet as shit. I want like cute Oh. Whoops. I'm gonna make some pasta salad. I've been loving pasta salad lately, like Italian pasta salad. I don't think we have tomatoes or olives, so it might be a little plain, but like pasta salad's really good. I don't even want to make pasta salad. I'm just gonna make a little though. What is going on? Why is it going? Okay, it's just definitely not boiling yet. Okay, I've literally been waiting for these noodles to like be done for so long. First of all, the water didn't start boiling until like 4 minutes ago, and that's probably my fault because I put the noodles in before it was boiling. But I thought it was like about to start boiling, so I didn't really think it mattered. It's like cooked, but it's so... What the hell? Frick. Okay, here's my pasta. So we don't have tomatoes and we don't have olives, and our broccoli is almost gone, and it's like the frozen kind, which I hate. I usually cut off all the stems, but I really don't care right now. Are you kidding me? I love broccoli. I don't know about you guys. A lot of people like hate on broccoli, and I just don't understand. Like, broccoli is so good, especially when it's like in like pastas and stuff. The next ingredient is Italian dressing. This is not the kind that I usually get. I usually get an Italian dressing that's like made for pasta salads. The last time I was at the grocery store and like bought this myself, it was during quarantine, and there was like nothing at the grocery store, so I had to get this one, which is like a literal like roasted garlic Italian vinaigrette, like for salad, but it tastes fine. It's just like a little different. So usually I measure it out, but I don't really feel like doing that. I think I'll just like eyeball it and then like taste it and see if it tastes good. This is what our pasta salad is looking like. It looks absolutely disgusting. I just realized that was a lot of dressing for how much. And then my secret ingredient. You guys are gonna think I'm so weird. I just like randomly got the urge to put soy sauce in my pasta salad this one time, and it ended up being like really good. Obviously soy sauce is very salty, and that's like salt is like the only flavor that it comes with. You can't add too much, but it's just so nice. Like, I usually do like 3 tablespoons of it, but it's like a really small amount, so I'm just gonna do like 1 like fake like tablespoon, and that just adds so much flavor. It's so good. Okay, now this one is definitely like the strangest. I don't usually use this though. I usually use like a little bit of sriracha, which is like really weird because like you don't see being used in pasta salad. I really enjoy it, but we actually don't have sriracha, so I'm gonna use buffalo. This is literal wing sauce, but the flavor is immaculate and it's a little spicy, so I just want to like add a little bit of this flavor in there. Oh, that's a lot. Whatever. If this doesn't taste good, I'll still probably eat it. Let's try a noodle. Dang, that's good. That's so good. That is so good. That is so good. Wow. Wow, I'm amazing. This tastes so good. I think I like the buffalo sauce more than the sriracha. I am so weird. This is so good. Guys, frick. I don't know what to say. Like, I might eat this whole bowl. The best pasta salad I've ever had. Like, I'm not even capping on you. Like, so good. Okay, I'll stop eating it. Dang it, I wanted it to be too small so that I could eat more of it and like not feel like I was, so good. Jeez. Y'all ever see a milk carton like this? Dude, I am so mad. Who? Who left one Oreo in here? Just eat one more. What is one Oreo gonna do for me? I'm so irritated. That was definitely my brother. Noah, if you're watching this, I literally hate you for that. Like, that was so rude. Wow, thanks. That was really nice. That one Oreo really hit the spot. I got this milk frother from Amazon to like whip up my creamer for my coffee. I kind of want to froth this milk. Bad idea. Guys, what just happened? I didn't know that happened. I knew it like got foamy, but I didn't know it expanded like 12 gallons. That's disgusting. I almost threw up. I keep thinking it's whipped cream and then I'm so disappointed when I taste it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Look at my phone. Look at my phone. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I'm kind of at a point where I don't know what to do with this. So I kind of destroyed the counter. It's really awkward that I just did that. The thing is, I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. Like, I didn't think it would launch like 3 feet and go all the way over there. How do you pick this up? Why is... Hello? What?
I'm on my way.
Okay, yeah, go to my mom's house right now.
Alright, I'll see you in about 2 minutes.
Shit. I hate everyone. Hi guys. It's been like an hour since I last talked to you. It's actually like 2:30 now, and I've just been in my room watching TikToks. Not really sure what else, nothing else, pretty much literally just watching TikToks. But I think I'm gonna go to bed because I do have to be up kind of early tomorrow. I know this video was literally so pointless, but you know, maybe it was a little fun. Hopefully it wasn't like too boring. I know I literally just made pasta. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna go. From this moment on, I won't do videos like this. Actually, I think these videos are kind of fun, but they're fun like once in a while. Like, I'll have some more organized videos coming soon because this just wasn't it. But maybe it was a little fun to watch. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at bailey.diedrich. I'm so close to 100K. Literally like 7,000 away right now as we're speaking. I am so excited. I never thought I would hit 100K on Instagram. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Oh, also, I never, ever say anything about my merch. I low-key like forget that I have it sometimes, but like if you want to go cop some merch, link is in the description and it's really cute. So